One of the tips that I found to be really useful, which I highly recommend to you, is think very carefully about frequently printing your quizzes once you've made them out. And there are a couple of reasons for this. One reason I found useful in the classroom is that when a student arrives and they don't have a device or the internet's playing up and there's a problem with connectivity, you can still provide your students with the quiz that you've planned to for that lesson, or you can give them a hard copy for them to take away and do. So that's really useful, so that there we can still have inclusivity and we can still provide the teaching and learning that we had planned to. The second one is that I think it's really useful for us as teachers to have a copy just in case there are issues with the internet, etc. It's just nice to have a bank of quizzes that you've created, and then you can build them up again if you need to, rather than being lost and having to do all the work again from scratch. So let's just have a quick look at how we do this. We go over to the spots on the top right there, click on more settings, and you can see there it says print form. So we literally click on print form and you will see the usual print interface. We have the document loaded. It's normal PDF at the moment, and so you've got that record. You've also got a destination you can choose from. What I tend to do, either print out a hard copy there, or I print it and save it as a PDF so I have it elsewhere locally stored. But it's just useful for you to know, to be aware that you can print your quizzes. There's nothing worse. Probably we've all experienced this. We've spent so much time building out a quiz, and then for one reason or other it is lost and we can't retrieve it, and we've got to go again and create the right thing from scratch. So hopefully that's a useful tip for you.